Hi everyone, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious butterscotch pudding from scratch. Let's get started. For this, we'll need the yolks of 3 eggs, 2 cups of half and half or 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream, a half cup of dark brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half teaspoon of salt. We'll start by separating our eggs. Then we'll whisk together our 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with our 3 egg yolks and reserve our egg whites for another recipe. Before whisking in our 2 cups of half and half or 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. We'll set this mixture aside for use later. Next, we'll melt our butter on the stovetop over medium heat and whisk in our half cup of packed brown sugar and half teaspoon of salt until dissolved. We'll allow our sugar mixture to cook undisturbed until bubbly, about 6 minutes, and slowly whisk in our milk mixture. We'll continue to cook this, whisking constantly until it thickens into a pudding, about 15 minutes, before removing it from the heat and stirring in our teaspoon of vanilla extract and allowing it to cool on the stovetop for about 5 more minutes before transferring it to serving dishes or a large bowl. We'll cover it with plastic wrap, touching the top of our pudding so a skin doesn't form, and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours before serving. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one.